Hey guys, this is Kirtan but from Gadget Park, and today we are going to do the quick unboxing of the Philips 9100 headphone with mic. Let's get started. Guys, let's directly get into the box now. On the front of the box we have the Philips branding, and it says good sound performance and rotary microphone. So let's see what's that. And on the right side it's clean. On the left side some details are given, and the MRP quoted here is rupees 699 Indian rupees, and I got it for about 500 Indian rupees on Amazon. I'll be leaving links to both Flipkart, Amazon, and Snapdeal. Do use the links, it does help the channel. So, as we get into the box, let's see what are the contents. Here we have a cardboard. Let me remove it. This is just a plain cardboard, nothing else. It's just for protection. Next we have the headphones itself, so let me just remove it. Here are the headphones, safely packed, and this is the headphones. So let me there's nothing else inside the box, so let me keep this to the side now. So guys, this is the headphones itself, and it's a very bulky headphones, as I have to say. And yeah, this mic is packed over here. This is the mic, and it's a very tiny mic, and the headphones is really very huge to see. And we have this it's a very high quality plastic, I guess, and it won't break easily. So this is the headphones, and we have this cable. We have the 2-pin cable. This is for the headphones, and this is for the microphone. The white one is for the microphone, so do note that. Let me remove this cable now. I guess it's a 2-meter cable, so it's really long, and we can use it anywhere. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's really a very long cable. It's a 2-meter cable, and yeah, that's the headphones. And here we have the mic. We have to keep it like this. The mic comes out from the left side of the headphones. Just place the mic like this, and we have the size adjustments in the headphones. And I have to say guys, this is a very rugged headphones, so nothing will happen easily. We have the Philips branding, and it says the model number is SHM1900. Guys, we get another pair of headphones without this mic part for about 200 rupees less. So we have that. This is the SHM1900/93 model, and that one is without the mic version is 1900/97. So I'll be linking that also in the show description. Those who are interested in that, please do check that out. At the end of the video I'll be showing you the sample of the mic, so watch till the end. So guys, let me connect it to my phone now. This is the speaker part, so let me connect it and let me play it now. I'll first hear it and then show you the samples. Guys, I have to say that it's really good. The audio quality is really good. So guys, I'll be testing the mic now. I'll be connecting the mic to my laptop, and I'll speak about this product. The later part of the video which you see will be recorded from this mic itself. Guys, coming to the pricing, the price quoted in the box is rupees 699. That's a $10 headphone. So it's a quite cheap headphone, but the features are not that cheap, and it's available in India on Flipkart, Snapdeal, and Amazon. I'll be leaving links for all of these websites, and do use the links, it does help the channel. Guys, I've also added the links for the other model without the mic, so you can use that link if you wish. Okay guys, so coming to the quality of the headphones, I'm really happy with the quality of the headphones. And you have to tell about the microphone. Please do leave your comments in the comment section about the microphone. The voice being recorded right now is being recorded by the Philips SHM microphone. So do leave your comments about it in the comment section. Guys, I like the quality of the product because of its aggressive pricing. It's just $10 headphone, and in this $10 we get a lot with this headphones. The bass is good, it works fine. And yeah, actually I have to test the mic a little bit, so I have asked you people to comment in the comment section and help me decide the quality of the mic. Guys, do follow me on Twitter for more channel updates, Facebook for and like us on our fan page. All the links are given in the YouTube show notes. Please do check that out, and do watch my last week's video. That's the Sun Direct DTH service full review. I'll be adding a link over here. Please do click that, and for more videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. Please hit the like button if you liked it. Please hit the dislike button if you disliked it. For more such videos, please hit the subscribe button down here. If you are using mobile phone, please hit the subscribe button down here. And I'll be leaving a link on the picture of the headphone over here. Please hit the link and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. This is Kirtan Bhatt signing off. Have a great day. Bye bye now. I'm just breaking my gadgets like a hell now.